Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete your backup on your Dropbox from your PC or your laptop. To do so, simply go into your Google Chrome browser, search for dropbox.com and then log into your Dropbox account. After logging into your account, you can see that you'll be on the home page. From here, click on this grid option. From here, go on to the backup option. After going on to the backup option, you'll be taken to this kind of page, and after you are on this, go on to the manage backup option and click on it. After that, again open up backup settings. Here open Dropbox again. I have already opened it up, so after opening up you can see that it is like this. So you want to delete all of the backed up data from your Dropbox because it is already saved into your computer. All you have to do is go on to the backup option that you have selected. After that, scroll down and you'll be able to see delete your PC backup option right here. After that, simply click on delete backup and then confirm your action, and now you can see that your backed up data from Dropbox is all deleted. And that is how you can easily delete all your backed up data from your Dropbox. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.